How to restore text messages and call logs on the Samsung Galaxy S26 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Here in settings, we then scroll down and tap on accounts and backup. Then we go to the Samsung Cloud section and tap on restore data. Now in here, tap on your backup file. Then at the top, you want to tap on the checkbox to deselect all the items. Now we scroll down and select messages and call logs. Then tap on restore. And that's it. We have now successfully restored messages and call logs on your Samsung Galaxy S26 series. Finally, tap on the done button. And here say, do you want to delete all backups? I will choose later. Then tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.